Hello, lovely children. I am Kritika, your English educator. If you remember, we started with the chapter A Change of Heart from our Unit 4 from our book Purvi of Grade 6. In the previous video, we did some warm up questions, right? As to know about ourselves or what games we like to play, and many more. Now, in this video, I'm going to start with the explanation of the chapter that how Prabhat wanted to win. What was the price of winning? Price of winning मतलब कि उसने क्या कीमत चुकाई उस जीतने की. So now we'll start with the reading and explanation of the chapter. Let's go in. Prabhat always wanted to win. His parents, teachers and friends said that he did not know how to accept defeat. So Prabhat always wanted to win. Prabhat was the kind of boy who would always say that I will play only to win. And his friends, his teachers, his parents, they would always say that he doesn't know how to handle the defeat. Defeat का मतलब हार. उसको नहीं पता कि अपनी हार को कैसे बर्दाश्त करना है. How to handle himself when he lose. The fact was that he could not bear losing, not even at marbles. उसको बर्दाश्त ही नहीं था that I lose a game, not even at marbles. Marbles, you know that kanche that we play, right? So he can't even lose a match in marbles. So he just didn't understand the concept of defeat. He just wanted to win all the time. He felt so good when he won that he never wanted to give up that feeling. On the contrary, losing made him feel terrible. So क्या हुआ? He won the match. After winning the match, the way he felt, he was so thrilled and happy that he wanted to maintain that feeling the entire time. He didn't just want to leave that feeling कि कभी हम हार भी सकते हैं. On the contrary का मतलब दूसरे हाथ. या अगर मैं opposite उसकी बात करूं, losing made him feel terrible. उसको बहुत बहुत ज्यादा बुरा लगता है जब वो हार जाता है. Terrible मतलब he really feels really unhappy. He thought that losing was the worst thing that could happen to anyone. उसका ये मानना है कि losing सबसे बुरी चीज है, ऐसी बुरी चीज जो किसी के साथ हो जाए. मतलब वो किसी को भी ना हो, lose तो कोई करे ही ना. Losing is such a terrible thing. Okay, if Prabhat sensed करना मतलब उसको पता लग जाए, या he had known about it that he would lose the game, he would not play it. So if Prabhat, let's say a game is going to start, and if Prabhat gets to know that he is going to lose, he won't even play that game. He won't even start playing that game with anyone. He would take part only when he is sure of winning, even if the game lasted only for a minute. He would only take part in those games where he is very much sure that he is going to win. Even if the game is for 1 minute, he will play that. But he will only play if he is going to win and he is sure of the winning. You could not stop him from playing the kind of games that he was really good at, like badminton. मतलब there is no way that you can stop him कि don't play badminton, because he would love to play always all those games in which he was really good, because that assured his winning. So you cannot stop him from playing all those games in which he was very good. For example, badminton. A new student joined Prabhat's school. Now, this was Prabhat's school. Now, a new boy, he joined Prabhat's school. And his name was Surya. So we are talking about Prabhat here, and this Surya is the new boy in the school who joined Prabhat's school. Surya was an excellent badminton player. Prabhat waited for the last Friday of the month. Last Friday was significant. Now, the Surya boy, though the boy who came new to the school, he was an excellent boy. Now, on the other hand, Prabhat always used to wait for the last Friday of the month, because last Friday was significant for him. Last Friday was really important for him. Why? This was when the coach conducted friendly matches in the games period. Every last Friday of the month, the coach used to conduct मतलब organize करना, conduct these friendly matches in the games periods or in sports period. The teams were decided on Monday. Monday को teams decide होती है, Friday को game खेलते हैं. And it was no surprise when Prabhat and Surya were chosen to play a round against each other. Now, Surya was also amazing, Prabhat was also amazing. So, the coach chose both of them as opponents. They were decided to play against each other on coming Friday. Prabhat was given the responsibility of keeping the score of their match. Now, because obviously Surya was new, so Prabhat was, on the other hand, he was playing, but also he was given the responsibility to maintain the record of the game. On one hand, Prabhat prepared for the match with his great seriousness. Surya, on the other hand, seemed relaxed, not taking the thing seriously at all. So, Monday, the coach decided that Surya and Prabhat are going to compete with each other on coming Friday. Okay. Now from Monday to Friday, every day Prabhat was working really hard. He was practicing every day so that he will win and he'll make Surya lose the game. On the other hand, he noticed one thing, that Surya was not at all practicing. He was playing, he was joking around, he was cracking jokes, he was having fun with his friends on the ground. So they were, completely opposite. One is working really hard to win, other one is just relaxing and chilling. Okay, so what happened? He walked about the whole time smiling and cracking jokes about all sort of things. ये कौन करता था? Surya. Surya used to just roam around in the ground, go out with his friends, play, crack jokes. This is what Surya was doing. But on Friday, now the day of game has come. At the badminton court, Surya was really phenomenal. अब क्या हुआ? Throughout the week तो he मस्ती कर रहा है, लेकिन Friday when the match actually started, Surya was playing an amazing game of badminton. Phenomenal मतलब somebody who has amazing quality or something that you're performing with amazing quality and skills. So he started playing badminton amazingly. He won points again and again and again, laughing and joking all the time. Now, while he's playing also, that time also he's not just playing seriously. He's having all the fun. पूरी मस्ती के साथ खेल रहा है, मजे कर रहा है और खेल रहा है, and he kept on winning points after points after points. However, Surya was paying so little attention to the match that Prabhat managed to change the scoreboard while his opponent was looking elsewhere. Remember, Prabhat was also given the responsibility to manage the scoreboard. So what Prabhat did was, when Surya was not paying much attention here at the scoreboard, Prabhat somehow he managed to change the score on the scoreboard. उसने क्या करे? Numbers change कर दिए. Prabhat managed to win by cheating. He made a big thing of his win. But it did not matter to Surya. It's been fun. We should play again some other time, said Surya. Now, after he changed the scoreboard, or after he changed the marks on the scoreboard, he obviously won. But he won by cheating. And Prabhat made a big deal of it that he finally won. But Surya did not feel anything. He was not hopeless that he lost the match or anything. He was just happy. In fact, he told Prabhat that we should play this match again sometime because I had a lot of fun. Now, till this part of the story, we have understood one thing, that yes, Prabhat, yes, he won the match. But was it a fair match? No. It was a match that he won by cheating. Correct, that he won by cheating. And when you feel guilty about something that you've done wrong, you actually did not enjoy that success. वो आपको हमेशा थोड़ी थोड़ी खाली खाली लगती है. Now, before we continue with the next part of the chapter, wherein we'll study more about what happened in the story, let's go through few questions. State whether the following is true or false. Prabhat would accept losing to anyone easily? No. Prabhat is never ready to lose a match against anyone. So he'll never want to lose a match against anyone. Okay. What was special about the last Friday of each match? So last Friday of each match, the coach used to conduct these friendly matches in the sports period. Okay. The special thing about the last Friday was the holding of a match. It was conducted by the coach himself. Who was responsible for maintaining the score of the match? So the coach gave the responsibility to Prabhat to maintain the score board. Prabhat was given the responsibility of keeping score of the match. Okay. Last question for today is, do you think Prabhat wished to play another match with Surya? Why do you think so? See, both the answers possible. If you want to say no, he doesn't want to play any match with Surya because the way we know Prabhat never used to play games against those people, or he never played those games in which he was very sure that he's going to lose. Now, because when he played with Surya, he was very well assured that he will never win this game if he won't cheat. Right. So that's why he will not want to play again the next time. This is one way of answering this question. Other way, you can also say yes, he would want to play because this time he knew very well that he won because he cheated. So next time he might try to play with all the fairness, after all the sportsmanship, and he might win that time or lose, but he'll not feel guilty in his heart. Now, we are still left with a little part of the chapter that I'm going to continue in the next video. Till then,